Hello there, Chesty John Productions here. Today we're going to be reviewing the EL-C locomotive. This one's in the Virginian paint scheme. The EL-C was built between 1955 and 1957. They worked for the Virginian Railroad, but when the Virginian Railroad, Norfolk and Western Railroad merged, they were sold to Penn Central in New Haven. Then when Penn Central went bankrupt, Conrail took over and Conrail purchased them. And then in 1981, Conrail shut down the electric freight service and scrapped all the locomotives. Two of these locomotives are actually preserved. One's at the Virginian Museum of Transportation and one's in New England. There may be a third one surviving, but I know there's at least 2 or 3 surviving. I like these locomotives a lot. My mom really likes this locomotive. It's a beautiful paint scheme. The detail is really nice. It's a completely square. It's real pretty. It's really nice. Square. I like how the shape of a square is. I love this. This is the pantograph. You have to use it with your hand. It's really nicely detailed. The back end is also pretty nicely detailed too. The front's nicer, but the back end is nice too. These locomotives are unique. They're really cool. Turn it on. Let's turn on the horn. Now let's get moving. They go forward. And reverse. This engine doesn't... As you may note, this locomotive was built in 2001. This Lionel model was built in 2001. It has no bell, but it has a horn. I also got a Virginian boxcar to go with the locomotive. I hope you enjoyed that short video of my Lionel Virginian locomotive. The reason I had to put the pantograph down because it would hit the signal tower. But one day I'm going to build a layout for this locomotive and some electric engines. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Chesty John Productions out. Have a great day.